In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube thumbnails in Canva. We'll move through a simple, repeatable process so your design stands out on any device. Start by opening a YouTube thumbnail template so you're working at the right size immediately. On the left sidebar, click Elements. In the search bar, look for a background image that fits your topic. Aim for something clean and relevant rather than busy. Click See All to browse more results, then select an image you like and place it on the canvas. Set image as background so it fills the frame edge to edge and avoids awkward gaps. Next, bring in your main subject. Upload your image through the Uploads panel, then drag it onto the canvas. With the image selected, click the background remover to isolate the subject from its original backdrop. This instantly creates separation and makes your subject the focal point. Resize the cutout by dragging a corner and position it where it has room to breathe. Off-center often looks more dynamic and leaves space for text. With the subject selected, click Edit to open the adjustment tools. Go to Shadows and add a glow effect. This is a quick way to create depth and help the subject pop against the background. Change the glow color to match or contrast your palette. A high contrast glow can dramatically improve readability. Adjust the levels, size, transparency, and blur until the edge looks smooth and intentional, not too bright or fuzzy. After that, resize and reposition your subject again if needed to keep a balanced composition. Now add your headline. Use the text tool to add a short, punchy line that clearly describes the video. Change its font to a bold, legible style that stays readable at small sizes. Update the text color for a strong contrast against the background. Light on dark or dark on light is usually safest. Click Effects and try a text effect that boosts readability, such as shadow, lift, or an outline style look. Select any text effect you like and fine-tune the settings so the letters stay crisp without overpowering the image. Finally, adjust and resize everything together. Make sure the subject, headline, and background don't compete, and keep key details away from the edges. Aim for a clear visual hierarchy. Subject first, headline second, background third. If it's readable at a glance and your subject stands out, you're set. That's the full workflow. Open a template, pick and set your background, upload your image, remove the background, refine with glow and shadows, add your text, style it with effects, then adjust and resize for balance. Follow this process and you'll have a scroll-stopping thumbnail ready for your next video.